This text you'll be reading today, called A New Justice, is all about Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor. We read a book about her at Closing Circle maybe a month ago. She was from the Bronx. So it's a little more about her. If you want to watch her answer questions from kids, it's just a fun video where you can actually see what she looks like and sounds like. So the story, A New Justice, talks about her life, what she became. So then the questions, who is Sonia Sotomayor? Why is she well known today? Then circle or underline evidence to tell us, sort of prove your answer. How did Sotomayor become a Supreme Court justice? And what else do you know about the U.S. Supreme Court? Now, you read a text called The Highest Court, so you should know something about the U.S. Supreme Court. And if you don't, go look something up or look back at that text to find an answer. Okay, don't just say, I don't know, because you have read about it and we have talked about it. So you should have something else you could tell us about the U.S. Supreme Court. Pretty straightforward. As always, you can use text-to-speech to read it too if you want. If it's not working, go up here and press OCR for scanned PDFs. And enjoy learning about one of our Supreme Court justices. Good luck! And, sorry, I almost forgot, your code word for today is of. Of is the code word for today. Okay, I think that's really it this time.